Oh, look at this fish. Guys, this is the biggest pike I've ever seen in my life.
This is how I caught the biggest pike of my life. Here's how it happened. I was out live streaming on TikTok, putting the herd on some bluegills and crappies, when one of the tip-ups that I had a shiner on popped up. Mind you, to this point, I'd never really caught a pike over 25 inches in this lake. But once I set the hook into this fish, I knew something was different.
Big. Oh, dude, biggest pike I've ever seen. Oh, we did it. Oh, look at this fish. Guys, this is the biggest pike I've ever seen in my life. Dude, guys, we did it. Oh my goodness.
That little shiner resulted in this absolute slaunch donkey of a pike. And I'm sure you can tell from the audio, I was a little excited. After getting some quick videos and pictures, we got big old Bertha right back in the hole and sent her back to where she belongs.